Ugali, also known as nisima, is a starch-based porridge made in eastern Africa. Traditionally, ugali was made from sorghum or millet flour. However, sometime between the 16th and 17th century, maize or corn was introduced to Africa from the Americas by European traders. Maize was well suited for planting in Africa. Maize was farmed and harvested much like sorghum was, but had a higher yield, making it a much more popular crop for farmers. Maize quickly replaced sorghum and millet crops, and thus replaced millet and sorghum flour in the making of ugali. Today, ugali is made with cornmeal boiled in water or milk until it has the consistency of a firm dough. Ugali is a staple food in Eastern Africa and is the starch food most commonly served with meals. Ugali is generally considered to be bland in taste and best eaten alongside a meat or vegetable stew to make it a filling meal. Ugali is easily to make, and the flour can last for a considerable time in average conditions, which is why it is very popular in Africa. Ugali is often eaten with the fingers when it is served alongside another dish. In many parts of Africa, a lump of ugali is squeezed into a ball to be dipped in a soup or relish. Sometimes a depression will be made in the lump of ugali to scoop up more solid parts of the meal, like a piece of meat or vegetable. Ugali serves much the same purpose in Africa as a piece of bread or tortilla does in the Americas. Ugali is such a large part of the diet in Eastern Africa that even a slight shortage of cornmeal is considered a crisis requiring government intervention.